welcome back to our channel Joe and Joes. Today you're going to see some useful and simple study tips and tricks. So still you didn't have subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol and enable the all option. If you don't know this process, I have put out a video for this, link in description. Now come, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, choose a study space for you regularly. If you like to study in desk, you can study in desk because your mind needs a specific place to study. If it is there, you can study, relax and fresh. Come, let's go to second tip. Tip number 2, clean your study space and keep organized. If you do like that, you always like to study. So go now and clean your study space. One example, if you have a messy table, you won't like to study. It is true because I face this same. So keep your desk or study space neat and clean. Okay, now let's move on to third tip. Tip number 3, reward yourself. If you need to learn 5 or more paras for one para, you can keep a chocolate or some other thing you like. If you do like that, you can learn quick and fast. Now let's move on to fourth tip. Tip number 4, keep your all things near. You need to keep your things and needs near because if you go for taking your things, you may be distracted. So if your things and needs are near to you, you may won't be distracted. Okay, now let's move on to fifth tip. Tip number 5, take breaks for your works. For 50 minutes work, 50 minutes work, you need to take 15 minutes break. It will makes you refresh and relax. But in breaks, you should not use mobiles, tabs and etc. You can go for a walk or playing with your friends or siblings or playing with your pets. Thanks for watching this video fully, friends. I hope this all tips will be useful for your studies or works. If you like this video, like and share to your friends. If you like and I need to do more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. So meet you in the next interesting video. Bye. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye from Joes. Bye.